Recently, just started a job as a manual and automation tester, React, and I kind of don't have literally any experience in this area. I am a student and got this as my first job. I watched some YouTube videos about it and I'm still a bit confused about the overall principles of testing. Can someone guide me real quick with literally any source that could help me doing and understanding the job better or any life experience as a tester? Because at university, we did just some kind of easy test in Java, and that's all. Didn't even know that this was a thing as a full time job. I heard about QA, but never checked out what they actually do. Thanks if someone could help. How to start with manual and automation testing. The first thing that oh my god, like the first thing I'm like, how did you even get this job? Right? So you didn't even look into what QA was and you got the job. You know what? This is what I'm gonna say. All right. This is what I'm gonna say. The company that hired you got what they deserve, right? If they're gonna hire with somebody with no experience and they didn't even like and not having experience is one thing, but they didn't they don't even care that you didn't even look up what automation like what not even what QA is in general, right? Because there's many components to QA. It's not only automation testing, it's not only manual testing, but the fact that they didn't even like care, like I don't know. This is super confusing to me. But let's go to let's break down your question, all right? Because this question is kind of frustrating. So you watch some YouTube videos and you're still a bit confused about the overall principles of testing. So I'm curious, like, what was your major, you know, and where is this job located? Where are you located? Because so you're confused about the overall principles of testing. There are a gazillion, a gazillion videos on YouTube about the different types of testing, different principles of testing, introduction to testing, right? And then you got this job, like so you're able to find Reddit to post this question, but are you telling me you're unable to just do a simple Google search of like different types of testing, the principles of testing? You don't know any online learning platforms that you can search testing? Like just in the last Q&A session that we had last week, there was a question about someone who said that they were transitioning from construction, and there was a website called Allison that they can learn from, which I did check it out, not in depth yet, so I'm not ready to speak on it yet, but it does look pretty interesting. But like there's Udemy, which it has so many different QA videos. There, I'm sure Coursera has something. There's so many. There's boot camps and everything like that. So, like, why? Like, what is it that you've done to understand the principles of testing? You've watched some YouTube vids, right? Some YouTube videos. That's it. Like, I don't know. It doesn't seem that you're putting in the work, the effort that you need to do this job, or quite frankly, any job. Maybe this was handed to you. I don't know. So and then it says, can someone guide me real quick with literally any source that could help me doing and understanding the job better? Well, I'd say Tech Coach Ralph is a wonderful, amazing resource that can help you and guide you to doing the job better or any life experience as a tester. So also this channel definitely can help you. So you said at university we did just some kind of test of easy tests in Java and that's all. So based on that, it seems like you might have done like some type of computer science type job major in college, but like you got to be more descriptive than that, right? Like, are you saying that in Java you learn how to like the basics of doing unit tests or what? Because from what I've seen is that at the university level, college universities, they don't teach about quality assurance. They don't teach about quality. Like even like to be honest with you, even on these online classes like on Udemy and stuff like that, the when they teach you about Java and about they teach you about Java, they teach you about Python. where they're teaching you how to code, I don't even see them talking about unit tests or any type of QA in general. Um, it's normally like this is how to code and it works. You know what I mean? I don't see the proper allocation to I don't see the proper allocation to the quality of the software that the language that they're teaching you. So I would like to see more focused on unit tests inside of those like 100 days of code type classes, where they also teach you testing your development. And it would be even nicer if they would do it with like the TDD principles, where they're teaching you how to refactor and all of that stuff. I don't know if that's too advanced, but I don't know. It's yeah. So that's what I'd say. Let me just finish up this question, and and this is the part that bothers me the most, right? You didn't even know that this is a thing as a full time job. You heard about QA, but you never checked out what they actually do. How did you even like? I don't know. How did you get this job? Like, and if you don't know what a job actually does, like, why are you applying for it? If you don't do something drastically very quickly to come up to speed on what QA does, you will not have that job for very long, because you're putting the company in risk as a QA tester, unless that company just doesn't care about the quality of their software. But you need to do something very quickly to ramp up and check what QA actually does. And I would say that's more than posting it in a subreddit. So
if you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.